Look at these guys. Just 1 month in, and you can already see that unique Polaco Gigante look coming through. Those naked necks and that sharp, alert stare. What makes these special isn't just the breed, it's the bloodline. These are direct descendants of imports from Gilead Martins in Brazil. When you're talking about Polacos, that's as elite as it gets. Even at 29 days, the frame on these birds is something else. They've got that natural, Brazilian stance and giant potential that you just can't fake. They're solid, they're heavy for their age, and they've got that real dinosaur-like potential already. If you're looking to level up your yard, this is the kind of material you want to be working with. Just watch how these develop. The quality really speaks for itself. Each one is beautiful than the other.